What's going on, guys? Kaiser here from keyserreveal, and today we'll be taking a look at the iHomeit LED Lightstrip. Now, besides being able to manually control the colors, this device also responds to audio and video. Now, Minger did send this out to me for review, but as always, I'll be giving you guys my unbiased opinion. With that said, let's get to it. Inside the box, you're greeted with a thank you message, the strip light control box, a couple of manuals, 4 electrostatic stickers used to calibrate the device, a ruler used to center the camera, a 8-foot LED light strip that displays 16 million plus colors, a power adapter, a bracket used to mount the camera, and a camera. Now, the control box is a brushed aluminum color, but it's actually made out of plastic. Although this is probably a good choice because you're going to be mounting it to the back of your TV using 3M tape, so you don't want it to be too heavy. On the side of the control box, you have a port for your power adapter and a USB port for your LED lights. Now, I really wish they would have used a USB to power adapter instead, because this would have given me the option to power the device with my TV instead of running an additional power cable to the wall outlet. And on the opposite side, you have another USB port for the camera. Now, I wasn't able to find any specs on the camera, but basically what it does is collect colors from the image displayed on your TV and output them through the LED lights. Now, I certainly wouldn't consider this to be anything revolutionary because we've seen this done before with apps, but it does appear to be a bit more accurate and hassle-free. To mount the camera, you need to first attach it to the bracket. From here, you'll use the 3M tape to mount it to your TV. Now, to set this up and to take advantage of additional modes like music and color, you need to download the app. This is how the camera looks set up. Now, you'll want to use the included ruler to ensure that it's positioned in the center of your TV. Once you've installed the camera and light strip, you want to place the 4 electrostatic stickers in the corners of the TV. This is used to calibrate the device. From here, you'll want to power on the lights and wait for the calibration to finish. Here you can see me waving one of the stickers in front of the camera, and as I move it from side to side, you can see how accurate this device is when displaying colors on just that side. Here is some footage of me testing the device with Call of Duty. Now, when playing in real time and moving through scenes, this effect really immerses you into the game. Now, the 2 ways that you can display these colors in video mode. You can set it to part like it is here, which will display colors only on the part of the screen that the colors are located. Or you can set it to all and the entire LED strip will display the color that the camera sees. Inside the app, you can control the brightness of the lights. There's also a music mode that allows the lights to react to sound. Here you can choose between energetic, rhythm, spectrum, or rolling. The video mode is the mode that we've been using to display the colors from the TV. Here you can choose between part or all, and dynamic or mild. And lastly, you can choose to display specific colors. Alright, so now on to my opinion of this device. In terms of light strips, this may be my new favorite one. It pretty much takes the functionality of several light strips and combines them into one without the use of third-party apps. Now, the only thing that could have made this device better is if it used USB power, because this would have allowed the lights to automatically come on when you powered on the TV instead of launching the app each time. And it also would have been one less power cable that you had to run to an outlet. Aside from that, it would be nice if they made a smaller version that I could connect to my gaming monitor. But other than that, this is definitely a solid choice. But I'm curious to know what you guys think. So leave a comment below, and I'll leave links in the description just in case you guys want to check this out. And as always, if you guys enjoy this content, be sure to hit that like button and definitely subscribe. So until next time, peace